Cantonese salt and pepper wings. The salt and pepper version of a dish is a traditional Cantonese dish, no sauce required. I'm going to break down some chicken wings here. I did not let the butcher do the work, so I was able to save some money. Using the F&Sharp chef's knife, I'm following the line of the chicken wing into the joint. If it gives you a lot of resistance, go back and try again. Covering them heavily with some cornstarch. This is going to provide such a light, crispy texture to it. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Now using the F&Sharp utility knife, I'm just going to cut down some green bell pepper, onion, jalapeno, and garlic. And this is just going to add a little something extra to your dish. Down with those bell pepper cheeks, just going to julienne those. I'm going to cut up some jalapenos, leaving it a little spicy with those seeds and membranes, and then into an onion. Now we're going to have the wings go in first to the air fryer for about 40 minutes at 380 degrees. Render the fat, flip about halfway through, and then season with salt, pepper, and just a touch of Chinese 5-spice. That's what's going to give these all that wonderful flavor. Not using a lot of seasonings and no sauce required. Go ahead and make sure it's well seasoned. Add your onions, bell peppers, and garlic and jalapenos into the air fryer. Get those cooked up. You can uncover your wings and cook until your wings look the way you like to enjoy them. Make sure to visit fnsharp.com.